As the warm weather arrives, so does the increase in outdoor activities. Unfortunately, this also means an increased risk of encountering ticks. Tick bites can be concerning, as ticks are known carriers of diseases such as Lyme disease and other tick-borne illnesses. If you find yourself with a tick bite, it's essential to take prompt action to minimize any potential risks. Thus, this is a quick guide to the steps you should take after a tick bite. 1. Remove the tick. The first step is to carefully remove the tick from your body. Use fine-tipped tweezers to grasp the tick as close to the skin surface as possible. With a steady motion, pull upward without twisting or jerking. Ensure you remove the entire tick, including its mouthparts. Avoid crushing, twisting, or squeezing the tick, as this can increase the risk of disease transmission. 2. Clean the area. After tick removal, clean the bite site and your hands with soap and water. This helps reduce the chances of infection. You may also use an antiseptic solution like rubbing alcohol or hydrogen peroxide. 3. Send the tick to a testing facility. After carefully removing the tick, place it in a sealed container or a plastic bag to send for testing. Add a small piece of moist cotton or a damp paper towel to keep the tick hydrated. Find our recommended tick testing facilities in the description box below and follow their directions for sending a tick in for processing and any details. 4. Seek medical attention. We advise people to speak to a doctor you trust as soon as you get a bite. Let them know the following: if you are unable to remove the tick completely or are concerned about incomplete removal, if the tick was engorged and how long it was attached, if you develop symptoms that could be indicative of a tick-borne illness, such as a rash, fever, or flu-like symptoms. 5. Start a preventative protocol. It is crucial to initiate a prevention treatment plan for Lyme disease as early as possible, as the acute stage of the infection is generally easier to treat. Less than 50% of people with Lyme disease will develop the classic bullseye rash that indicates infection. Ticks can also carry a host of other tick-borne illnesses like babesia, alpha-gal, bartonella, and more. Carrying a tick kit and using a tick repellent spray are wise precautions for outdoor enthusiasts and individuals residing in areas with high tick activity. A tick kit typically includes essential items such as tick tweezers, antiseptic wipes, adhesive bandages, and a small container for storing ticks. Having a tick kit readily available allows for immediate tick removal, proper wound cleansing, and safe disposal of ticks. It ensures that you have the necessary tools and supplies to handle tick bites promptly and effectively, reducing the risk of tick-borne illnesses. Tick bites can be a cause for concern due to the potential transmission of diseases. It's important to promptly and properly remove the tick, clean the bite site, and monitor for symptoms. Remember, seeking medical attention when necessary is crucial for early detection and treatment of tick-borne illnesses. Stay vigilant. Take preventive measures when spending time outdoors, and consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice and guidance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on exciting upcoming videos. See you on the next one.